Hi everyone, this is going to be a really quick video. Basically in here I have the application running already, so what I want to demonstrate on this video is that you don't need to use SQL Server as your main database for Xaf. You can also use anything else that is supported by Xaf, for example Postgres in this case. So let me show you. Here we have the application that we've been using before, and let's go to PG Admin. So as you can see here, I have two databases, one for the deltas and one for the data. So if we go here and we go to schemas and tables, let's go to customers. I think this is the one I'm using. Yes, we have this one, the test one that I created here. Let's create another one. Save and close. So let's refresh here. Okay, so here we have the second customer that I just created, and the mobile application is already connected. So let's see these customers. I only have one here, so let's synchronize. And let's go to the customer. So here we have the data. So we're synchronizing Postgres SQL with SQLite in the Xamarin application. So let me show you what I changed here. Basically, I just added reference to the Postgres database connector. So if you come here and you see the nuggets, you will see that I have reference to this in the Xaf application. Also in the Blazor application, it's the same. And I need that in the sync server because the sync server is connecting to that database actually. And then I changed the connection string. So let me show you that. If we go to the configuration, basically, you will see, let me put this in a Notepad++. So let's break this connection string. Okay, so the connection string contains several pieces. So first is the type of data store. So it's the sync data store that we're using. Then the data connection string. So this connection string is the one that we will use to store the application data actually. And then we have another connection string, which is the deltas connection string. So in the deltas connection string, basically we're going to save the transaction logs that we're going to replicate in the mobile application. So basically in all the other examples, I've been using SQL Server. So basically the data connection string is one connection string for SQL Server, and the delta connection string is a connection string also for SQL Server. So you can mix and match. You don't have to use both Postgres or both SQL Server. This can be SQL Server and this Postgres. So the storage for the delta or the transactions doesn't have to be exactly the same database as the one that you're using for the data actually. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, basically the sync data store is just a proxy that tracks whatever you need to do, I mean whatever you're doing in the application, and replicates that on the mobile application. So basically it's just using XPO in general. So any XPO connection string that is valid for data and for delta um, will work in general. So here you can put maybe Oracle and here Subhan if you want. Or here you can put maybe MySQL and SQL Server. So it doesn't mean, as long as it works with XPO and is a valid XPO connection string, then there is no problem on using that combination. So that's everything for this video, guys. I hope that this was useful for you, and see you guys on the next video. Bye.